Welcome to a Sabah street food tour insight into Yangon's favourite street food. Today we're going to be joining Ma Thuza and looking at her Lan Tah Yeh Mont, aka the Gypsy Snack. Hola.
The Gypsy Snack is like a pancake made from rice flour batter and then topped with fresh vegetables, herbs and spices. It's the perfect example of a fusion dish where Indian and Myanmar ingredients and techniques are combined. Although it may look like a simple dish, it takes a highly skilled street chef to make a really good gypsy snack, like Ma Thuza.
So here we're buying some of the vegetables we need for the dish. For example, tomatoes, spring onions, some herbs, some parsley, some chilli, some cabbage. Now Okay, so now we're going to head back and we're going to start preparing the dish. So Ma Thuza, can you tell me the ingredients that we have here?
Yeah, this is monier, gobi,
some white cabbage and Chinese cabbage.
Chinese white cabbage, and tomato.
Tomatoes. Some
Chilli.
Chilli, nayoti.
Yeah, nayoti. Yeah, this one bean sprouts.
Bean sprouts, yeah.
Yeah, this one
Spring onion.
Spring onion.
Yeah. Parsley, like flat leaf parsley, yeah.
Parsley, yeah, okay, parsley.
The literal translation of Lan Tah Yeh Mont is street ghost snack. Lan Tah Yeh is street ghost. It's a metaphor for those people that would be hanging out late at night, playing guitar, having a drink with their friends, having a chat on the streets in Yangon. I've also heard this called Gypsy Snack or Gangster Snack, because maybe there'd be some criminals hanging around in the evening as well, late at night. Oh, very nice, beautiful colours. So I have to say this is probably the first time I've ever chopped a tomato with a craft knife, but so far so good. I've still got all of my fingers.
All the ingredients have been cut to size, but we still need the pancake batter. And for this, we're going to see a specialist.
Okay, Ma Thuza, what's happening here? Okay, so here they're making the paste for the crepe of the Lan Tah Yeh Mont. They're using raw rice, which has been soaked 3 or 4 hours, plus some cooked rice, some chickpeas, some semolina. Mix it all up in this machine and you get the paste for the crepe.
Downtown Yangon, former capital and the economic and cultural centre of Myanmar. The Gypsy Snack is supposed to be for the night owls of the city, but Ma Thuza only sells her street food in daylight. So, no gypsies or gangsters, but office clerks and people that work in one of the many shops here.
So this is where the magic happens, at Ma Thuza's street food store, where she's cooking up the Lan Tah Yeh Mont.
Like this?
Okay, nice and gently does it.
Yeah, after.
Fresh vegetables on top. Handful of chickpeas.
Yeah, spicy. She don't like this.
Oh, okay, so she likes spicy but doesn't like the celery leaf.
With masala.
Homemade masala.
So just a little bit salt.
Bit of salt.
After, putting white.
Bit of vegetable oil. Okay.
After
2 minutes and then fold it. So how many of these would you say you make in one day?
170.
170, all right, nice, rapid. Cheers, Utumbade. Big thanks to Ma Thuza for showing us this amazing vegan street food of Yangon. And next episode, I think we try and find something meaty. Sabah. All right. Good. Sao lô cong đây.